All right, I got another pinball project. I rescued this one from the trash heap, and I think I'll do a better job of documenting it this time around. So I've already done some tests. I think where I'm going to start is with this back box. I took the glass out already, and I'm going to pull this backboard off after I get these displays out and pull these boards out. I know that these capacitors are going to need to be replaced. So that's where I'll start. But I already ran some tests on the thing. So this has a ton of planking from, I guess it's been stored in an old barn that wasn't very well climate controlled. So I took some alcohol and a magic eraser and kind of ran around this yellow, so it looked like this, just a little bit of elbow grease. I got that going, and the same thing, the play field looks okay. A lot of the components are there, but I also did the magic eraser and alcohol here compared to that's what it looked like, and then a little bit of rubbing, so it cleans up okay. So we'll see how this turns out. All right, well, this is the soundboard. It used to be up there. I like to, when I take these things off, I always write the name of what I'm taking on. That way I can remember how to put it back together. So this is a soundboard, and as you can see, this little capacitor on here will have to get cut off, and then a new one's going to get resoldered on. Otherwise, the boards actually look pretty decent, so we'll see how it goes. Danger, high voltage. I don't know if you can see it, but all of this is paint chips from the back glass. There's a piece of glass here with art, and as the light bulbs that were behind it would heat that paint up, they would flake off. I'm going to assume that's all lead paint, since this game was painted back in the 70s. Probably should be wearing a mask or something. Okay, couple things here. I put the back box on its back to make it easier. So this is the driver board. It's what controls all the stuff on the playfield, pop bumpers and things like that. It's got a lot more of these connectors, so I number them and just draw it out. So there's 12 connectors on there, and then there's this along the top. There's a connector that connects to these pins on the main board. That's the MPU, the driver board. There was a power board here and a sound board up top. But when I pulled this off, these little pins here that sit in here, a lot of them just fell out. Yeah, there they go. There's another one. So all of these are going to have to get repinned up at the top. Otherwise, the board looks pretty good. Actually, I may have to reflow this board, but yeah, so that's it. We'll pull that MPU out, and we have this board here. So we'll get to work on the boards and go from there. Here we have the empty back box. I Still have to get this transformer out. Some of these other little components. We'll get this wiring harness out. And see if we can get this back box cleaned up. So after pulling the boards out, I went and I just took a damp paper towel and cleaned this coin door. It actually came out all right. It got some metal polish, so I'll get her all polished up, and we'll have to pull these out. I'm not sure how to do it without making a mess, but I'll figure it out. And we got 12 to replace. There's some on the side. There's a few more. Then I also hit up some more of this a little bit with a magic eraser. Got down to about here just to see how it's going to come out, and I kind of like the little bit of patina in it, so I think what I'm going to do is do my best to clean up the sides on here, and then maybe hit it with a satin clear coat. That'll keep it protected. I'll do my best with these corners. So that's about it for today. We'll see how this goes.